coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from Myojo, and this is part of their Ippei range. This is a soy sauce garlic variety. Ninniku, Shoyu, Yakisoba. So, no, it's a Yaten. It's like night market, street vendor type thing. Anyway, that's what we got on the shoe today. The big shoe. I always say that because I remember I was on the town where I grew up is a little town in northwest Washington called Anacortes. It's on Fidalgo Island, and they used to have a radio station there called KLKI. And before that, I think it was KAGT, but KLKI AM 1340, The Whale. And what do they call it? The second greatest sound. And it's like, I remember calling them up and go, what's the greatest sound? And they're like, oh, the Puget Sound, which is the water around Washington. I was like, oh, okay. But I did a radio show with a guy named Glenn Harris. I think that was his name. Nice guy. It was fun. It was like one of the first big interviews I had. I think it was when I had done like 400 reviews. Sadly, really sadly, it bums me out to no end. That station is no more. There is no more Anacortes radio station. That sucks. I remember I've listened to that station like almost all my life, here and there. I mean, they didn't play a lot of music I was really into. A lot of it turned into talk radio and stuff, and I always liked talk radio. But, yeah, I remember I was listening late night once, and I don't know if he was an intern or he was just really tired, and this guy was like talking about they were talking like high school sports, because they used to do that on there all the time. And he's just like, blah, 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 blah. And he's like, oh my God, what am I doing? And then dead air for like a minute. And then it went to a commercial. I was like, wow. I love that kind of stuff. That was cool. That was that was cool. I was like, oh wow, this guy screwed up. But, yeah, nice show. It was fun. It was up the road. That place was next to a Shell station. And I don't know if their transmitter was there. I think it was. But it was cool. And during Christmas time, they'd play Christmas music. And that was like one of my favorite things to do. We'd go up to my mom's for Christmas. And then I'd be like, oh, put on 1340. They're playing Christmas music. I'm not a huge fan of Christmas music. It's all right. But, you know, it's like, you got to get in the mood. It's like, hey, have a couple drinks. This is some Christmas music. Now you're Christmassy. There you go. But, and I'll freely admit, I'm an atheist, and I love Christmas. Actually, this year, I don't know why, but I am, like, all ready for Christmas already. Oh, my wife's using some new shampoo, and I smell it, and I'm like, you smell like Christmas. She's like, what? Very herbal. But anyway, like potpourri. But, yeah. I think the best part is, you know, doing Christmas, and it's so much fun doing Christmas, and the kids and all that stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The worst part of Christmas is a lot of the music. There's, like, this song that the ABC affiliate did here, KOMO, like years back. I don't know if they did it, but it had a lot to do with them. And it's like, there's people that locate here, and they just love living in the Northwest. Oh, that's so Northwest. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Golly gee. And there's this song called Christmas in the Northwest, and it's the absolute worst thing I've ever heard in my life. It's like I vomit a little in my mouth every time I hear it. Nowadays, when I hear it, I'm just like, oh, it's a horrible song. Yes. So, some of it's good. Some of it's weird. There's certain traditional stuff. There's a place in Anacortes actually called the Fisherman's World Market Building. It's a trippy place. And on the first floor and in the basement is a bookstore. And that place has this funky, old, musty book smell. And that gives me that feeling of Christmas time. I don't know why, but I really like the basement of a Greek Orthodox church, right? It's just like there's been lots of events, lots of food made there, and it's just got this scent that connotes the passage of time and things like that. I'm like all about that kind of stuff, big time. I like stuff like that. I like alleys. Hear me out. I think alleys have a lot of character because they're often overlooked. Often there's like weirdos in the alley, of course. I guess I'm one of them sometimes, but I love taking pictures of alleys between buildings, like in downtown Seattle. I just think there's a certain character to them that's just like, nobody goes here, nobody wants to go here. This is where the trash gets picked up, and then you just see like the backs of buildings, and it's I just like it. I like stuff like that. I like taking pictures of like the like by the curb in the gutter, because it's just like leftovers of our society, just like bits and pieces. I don't know. I get a vibe from it, okay? I like it. I dig it. It's my thing. I like it. And with that, we have 10 seconds to go, and we'll drain. I'm going to drain my noodle on camera. Hope you're ready for that. 1 and done. Okay. It sounds bad. You know, I'm going to drain my noodle on camera. Here is our noodle right now. A very thick noodle. That's why this... It's funny. I did a yakisoba the other day that only took 1 minute. It was a Peiyang variety. And yeah, 1 minute. Boom, boom, drained, done. It was good too. I think that was a tonkatsu yakisoba, which was like freaking thrilling stuff, let me tell you. So, you ready? I'm gonna drain my noodle. Yeah, like literally. Sorry. Yeah, I think the show will be over if I'm ever actually doing what that sounds like on camera. But you never know. If I got really tipsy, I might do a really bad episode. I've been telling you, I've drained my noodle for years. Now you can see me do it. Come on, we're going into the bathroom now. There will be some weird things to see on the show coming up. I ordered some fine art, and I will share it with you. It's like the most bizarre thing. And it was a steal at $21 on Amazon. I was really kind of surprised to see it on there. But it's fine art. You'll see. You will see. Surprise gift. That's one of the options it mentions. This would be a great surprise gift. Really. Huh. Now what do we have here? Do I want to stir this in? I think I do. I'm really not sure what that is. I think it's probably garlic powder, because this is all about the Ninniku. Garlic. Stamina. Yeah, I think garlic varieties in Korea are considered men's. But then again, there's men's Pocky. I thought that one was weird. Men's Pocky is just basically like dark chocolate Pocky. I really don't see women just going, oh, that's dark chocolate is too much for me. I think women like dark chocolate. Probably more than men. I don't know. There you go. That is a noodle. So we'll try this. Definite garlic hit. Definite. We have this mayo, but I've got to do this all up and make it look pretty, and then I'll try the... There we go. The mayonnaise facilitation. Alright. We need a plate. For plating. La plata. La plata de la noodle. Do I want to use this one? Do I want to use this one? What? I do? Okay. Thank you, Mimi. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Mimi giving me plating tips. Huh? What? I'm not stinky. Oh, your brother's stinky. That's not polite. Go be nice. Go play. I'm working here. I'm doing God's work. I don't understand. That's enough. Go play. I'll be done in a minute. It'll be almost time for lunch. Yeah, that's... Ow. Alright. Go on your merry way, young lady. Okay, so we got that. I like to make a ham sandwich. I don't know what he's saying. Oh my! Yeah. She don't stumble on no wood. I like that. Do I want to try to... I do. Let's get into garnish mode. Memories, and if it's for good, cause I'm buying 10 of these. See, not every company gotta maintain cap. You don't make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, you pay for that. But you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Ain't really who they say on the outside. What? Me deep in the game and I'm still the same, nigga. Why you always hating? That's a damn shame, nigga. Gotta split the profits with the ones that came with y'all. The homies share the vision, yeah, we got the same picture. You won't catch me in the club, I like to meditate. I be higher than the bird, I like to levitate. When I ask them how you doing, it ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get colder where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, eating yogurt. Pull up to the park, come a match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been they gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. No, not that one. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Alright, let's mayonnaise it up. Shichimi. Well, that was an interesting interlude, ladies and gentlemen. I did not expect the realness. But there we are. Coming up on 10:42 a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where courtesy is contagious. This is Japanese Yakisoba for you. You're in December, I'm in August. Well, that one's pretty good. I really like how that, it looks nice. It kind of reminds me of an aburo soba because of the thicker noodle, but yeah. Tell me what you think if you get to try this. And yeah, it came from an Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. And if it is Christmas time, I do have a video that does a rundown of subscription boxes that I did last year. I'll run it again on the site, and yeah, but yeah. All right, keep it smooth. Sooner. Bye bye.